So now that we got it all unboxed, we're gonna put it together and get it running around in a circle, or oval actually, excuse me. So we did check off, made sure we had all the parts, and now we're gonna start snapping track together. I'm gonna take this fancy little thing off. Always wanna be careful with that. When you're sliding them together, you have to watch the track. It has little connectors that slide in to the other one. And you just got to make sure you don't want to get it off. You want to make sure they're all lined up before you actually push them together. Because if you cause a bend, you don't want your train to derail. Even if it is a model train, you still don't want it to derail. I'm just going with the simple oval track. I'm not getting fancy with any of these other type of configurations that you can do. Later I'll do a video on some of the flex track or something like that and show you how much easier this is to go together. It just clips right together without really even thinking about it. As I mentioned, you just got to make sure those are lined up so they fit together. So we're all connected there. It all down a little closer to the power plug down here. Oh. And this definitely just goes into the 100 mA 16 volt DC, so that plugs right in there. And we have the other plug that goes to the track that plugs in right there. Now we're gonna hook the cars together and get them all on the tracks here. That's one of the hardest parts, in my opinion, is making sure all the little wheels are just in the right place. But as you can see, they clip together just really super easy. So once you get the front on, you just kind of slide it up and they clip right together. Now that we got the train all on the tracks, we have the power, it's all plugged in, the red indicator lights on. You have your direction. I turned it all the way down to start, and now I'm gonna see if it goes. It says to slowly just turn it up. And there we go. And I even have it set to go the right direction. Now this train, something you have to be careful with is when you get the engine on there, you have to make sure it's just on the tracks just right, because this is a standard model train that actually runs, the power runs through the tracks. So the power is running through all these tracks and going into the train, and that's what's powering it. And let's see how fast she'll go. That's full speed right there.